Can the ADT doorbell camera battery be replaced?
Hello there. Today, we're going to tackle an important topic for any ADT doorbell camera owner. Can the ADT doorbell camera battery be replaced? If you've been wondering about this, you're in the right place. We're going to take you through everything you need to know.
Can the ADT doorbell camera battery be replaced?
Here's the quick answer. No, the ADT doorbell camera's battery cannot be replaced. That's because ADT's doorbell camera comes with a built-in, non-replaceable battery. However, don't worry just yet. This built-in battery is designed to last a long time. Plus, you can keep it charged for a prolonged period with regular use.
What happens when the battery life ends?
Given the nature of the built-in battery, you might be wondering what happens when its life eventually ends. If your ADT doorbell camera's battery can no longer hold a charge, it usually means that the camera itself needs to be replaced. This might seem like a drawback, but remember that this typically takes many years to happen. Also, technology improvements over that period could mean that a replacement offers upgraded features or performance.
How to prolong the battery life?
While you can't replace the battery, there are still ways to make sure it lasts as long as possible. Here are a few tips. 1. Limit live streaming. Constant live streaming can drain the battery faster. Only use this feature when necessary. 2. Optimize alert settings. Frequent alerts can also eat into your battery life. Try to optimize these settings to match your needs. 3. Regular charging. The device will need regular charging to maintain its battery health. So, while you can't replace the battery in your ADT doorbell camera, you can take steps to extend its lifespan and ensure it serves you well for years to come. Remember, if the battery does fail after many years, it might just be a good opportunity for an upgrade. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.